For 20 years I've suffered and become rot and slain through the wraths of king for goddesses, monsters with screams of comrades slain. I come back and find my palace desecrated, sack like Troy. First of all, are you dare to touch my wife and hurt my boy? I've had enough. Oh my god, this man's back. Yo, what's going on? Yo. Okay. Ithaca. Okay, guys, we've got to deal with this man once again, twins. Boy, I thought we were safe, first of all. Second of all, how's he back? Well, I think we should try to attack him first. Guys, you don't understand. This man plans for every fight, okay? Like, what the fuck? Hey, my lovely hoe. I hear you trying to touch my wife. You see, I don't want that happen. Lay down. He's aiming for the torches. Ah, they're missing. This man, he's trying to use the dark. Oh, we have to strike him in the dark, you dumbasses. Ladies, calm down. You don't think I know my own palace? I do. What the fuck? Oh, not twin. Oh, not twin. No, you don't. Crazy. Yo, Goofy. This is how politics to the world with open arms. Like, that's how Polity died, right? Because you didn't greet the world with open arms. And this Cyclops killed you. So, or killed him. But not you, but like, you know. Okay. No. Fuck you. Help. What you mean, no way? Oh, not twin? Nah. Okay, we so dead ass, yo. He hid the weapons in this room, yo. This is exhaust. Like, come on, guys. Are you for real right now? Behind you! We're behind you! Ah! What the freaky? Telemachus. Doo-doo. Little wolf. You ready, twin? Yeah, I'm ready, Athena. Alright, let's do this. Yo, drop y'all weapons and y'all be spared, y'all. See what your dad would do to us? We wouldn't dare, bro. I don't even want to touch you. Oh, I don't want to hurt you, but trust me, I came prepared. You'll be spared. Twin. No, twin. We ain't gonna be spared, y'all.
See, your daddy isn't gonna do anything.
What? What you mean? Bro, start digging in your butt, twin. Like, yeah. I think we should swarm him. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. We got
Okay, guys, we are gonna need if we attack the prince, yeah. Like, let's go, guys! Hold on, wait a second. What did I do? Fuck? Yo, what y'all jumping me for? Yo. Oh my god, this is so hard than I thought. Wait, the freaky. What did I do? Stop jumping me! Yo. Sword fighting?
If y'all don't do this, I'm gonna break the boy's hands, bro!
Looks like I've got you, twin.
What did I do?
Mercy. My mercy has drowned since the day I got here, bro. My mercy drowned.
As long as y'all
because of you, my family's fate is unknown. Because of you, my family's fate unknown. You planned to break the hair. All of you had it. All of you will suffer and die.
Odysseus.
None of you are surviving. All of y'all. This will be your fate, twins. This will be your fate, twins. What the fuck? My god, twins. This is hard.
I'm back in
I'm
Ithaca,
home.
guys.
Welcome,
Let's go with
Ithaca.
my big baddie
Hi,
Latina.
Ithaca.